Possessive case nouns. Noun na apostrophe le s bela possessive noun siam dante. Apostrophe chau bela possessive noun siam dante. Thil nung le nung lawa engtiang mantur ngoe ti te. Apostrophe le s mang lawa thil nei tu soi dante kanzir don ani. Possessive noun is a noun used to express ownership or relationship indicates possession. Noun chu thil nei tu ownership soina na man ani hian possessive case emo possessive noun emo ti ania. Noun na apostrophe s belin possessive noun hakan siam china ama sign ownership le relationship indicates possession ti hi shiat pia lo tum photila. Mary hian zote aneya midang zote anilaw ama zote ngeyania sumi soinan chuan Mary's cat kantia Mary ya hian apostrophe s belin adot si a cat zote hi Mary zote ngeyani ti kantilang ownership zote nei tu ani ti atilanga hi Mary school lu na ania school hi Mary school ama pual big liao ani em ani lo amai ro chu Mary hian school nen in zomna relationship aneya a school lu na ani ata angin en ve theya hei tak hi relationship indicate possession kan ti chunia Mary a hian apostrophe s belin Mary school tin kan soi ve thei tho ani. Formation of a possessive noun. Rule number 1. By adding apostrophe s to singular noun. Possessive noun siam dan kan zir anga. Rule number 1 at chuan singular noun na apostrophe s belin possessive noun na kan siam theya. Entirnan heng, Mary, boy, camel, le lion te hi singular noun pakhat chau soina an nia. Atopa apostrophe s kan bela possessive noun kan siam ta ani Mary's cat, boy's shirt, camel's back, lion's den hengte hi kan lo nei ta ani. Rule number 2. By adding apostrophe to singular noun ending in s or hissing sound singular noun atopa s emo hissing sound tia ritop ang chia ti khachuan apostrophe chau bel turani entirnan Socrates, Moses hengte hi singular noun ania atopa s a awangin apostrophe chau belin possessive noun kan siam ta a Socrates philosophy, Moses law kan lo nei ta ni. Justice le conscience hi s in atop lawa ma se hissing sound ti in atop awangin apostrophe chau belin justice sake, conscience sake kan lo nei ta ni. Rule number 3. By adding apostrophe s to plural noun. Plural noun na apostrophe s belin possessive noun kan siam thei boka. Entirnan children, men, women, oxen te hi plural noun excuse me pakhat ayatam soina vek ania apostrophe s belin possessive noun na kan siam theya. Children's toys, men's club, women's hostel, oxen's fodder te kan lo nei ta ni. Rule number 4. By adding apostrophe to plural noun ending in s. Plural noun atopa s oma te chuan apostrophe chau bel turani a entirnam boys, girls, students, lawyers hengte hi plural noun ania atopa s a vek awangin apostrophe chau belin possessive noun a kan siama. Boys school, girls hostel, students representatives, lawyers panel hengte kan lo nei ta ni. Uses of the possessive noun. Number 1. The possessive apostrophe s is used with the names of living things. It cannot be used with the names of inanimate things. Uses of possessive noun. Possessive noun mana shang shang te kan zir do na. Number 1 at chuan thil nung ishing le ran sa ming ate apostrophe s balin possessive noun kan siam thaya amaro chunun na nei lo ate chuan noun ma a of da in nei tu soinan kan mang china entirnan the boy's hand mi panau pangkot soina ania thil nung mi panau pang hi thil nung mishing ania hetia the boy's hand tia apostrophe boya apostrophe s belhi adikani the chair's leg chair hi nunna nei lo ania chuwangin apostrophe s mangin possessive noun kan siam theilawa the chair's leg ti hi adiklawani the leg of the chair soito angin thil nung lawa te chuan of noun ma a of kan da anga nei tu ni na kan soive theini thil nung lo nun na nei lawa chuan the leg of the chair ti te the mirror of the car ti te khatyang te khan kan soi theini chuan heta hian kan hriat bok tur chu mishing emo ransa emo thil nun na nei ang chia te kha chuan the boy's hand tin possessive noun kan siam theya the hand of the boy hetiang po hian kan soi thei tho bokani Number 2 the possessive apostrophe s is used with continent country state collective noun and personified objects continent country state collective noun le personified object thil nung lo ma se thil nung ang maya kan soi chin ang chia te khan apostrophe s balim possessive noun a kan siam theya entirnan Asia's development India's new policy company's profit England's trade nature's law Number 3 the possessive apostrophe s is used with nouns denoting time space and weight time space le weight soinan po apostrophe s kan bel thin entirnan a week's holiday a day's match a ship's length a pound's weight Number 4 the noun following a possessive case can be left out when the meaning is clear someone's home some shops and services etc kan soitum kha in ani emo door emo school biak in emo khang hriat chian sa ani chuan apostrophe s dota noun kan tel thina kha soitel kher lovin kan soi theini entirnan I am going to John's heta hian John's kan tia John a in soina ani She's going to the butcher's heta hian butcher's ti hian sajor na door soina ani They are going to St. Paul's St. Paul's ti hian school emo biak in emo soina ania heng John's house ti te the butcher's shop ti te St. Paul's school emo church emo soi rikher lo hianin John's butcher's St. Paul's ti topin kan soi theini ole khati zong khatona tan chuan ni phot se grammar zir nuam vek ule